In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store using Chat GPT in 2025. We'll be exploring the steps to set up your Shopify account, leverage the power of Chat GPT for content creation, and finally, customize and launch your store. Let's dive in and transform your online business ideas into reality. First off, you'll need to set up a Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify website and decide whether you want to start with a free trial or opt for a paid plan. This is your gateway to getting your store up and running. Once you're all signed up, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Shopify admin panel. This dashboard will be your command center for managing everything related to your store, from orders and customer interactions to product listings and analytics. Getting comfortable with this interface will make your journey smoother. With your Shopify account ready, it's time to utilize ChatGPT, your virtual assistant for brainstorming and idea generation. You can use ChatGPT to come up with innovative product ideas, identify ideal target audiences, and craft unique selling propositions that set your store apart. As you start populating your store with products, lean on ChatGPT to help generate compelling product descriptions. Simply provide it with the necessary product details and watch as it crafts descriptions that can draw in potential buyers. Brand development is another area where ChatGPT shines. You can ask it for creative input to brainstorm a catchy brand name, generate logo ideas, or even define the perfect brand voice that resonates with your audience. Furthermore, as content is king, let's use ChatGPT to generate additional marketing materials such as engaging blog posts, catchy social media updates, and other content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Now, it's time to bring your vision to life with store customization. Begin by choosing a theme that suits your brand from the Shopify theme store. Look for one that is visually appealing and functional. Once you've settled on a theme, use the Shopify theme editor to customize it according to your preferences. This is where you can personalize the look and feel of your store by adjusting elements like colors, fonts, and layout. Next, add your products by uploading images, writing detailed product information, and setting competitive prices. Setting up shipping and payment options is crucial for smooth transactions. Configure shipping zones and rates, and integrate your store with reliable payment gateways to ensure your customers have a seamless checkout experience. Don't forget to create essential pages like About Us, Contact Us, and Shipping Policy to provide comprehensive information to your customers. Additionally, consider adding a custom domain to establish a professional online presence. The final steps are all about launching and marketing your Shopify store. Before going live, review each aspect of your store and test everything thoroughly to ensure all functionalities work flawlessly. When you're confident, launch your store and make it accessible to the public. Promote it actively using social media, email marketing, and other channels to drive traffic and attract potential customers. Finally, keep a close eye on your store's performance by continuously monitoring analytics. Make necessary adjustments to optimize sales and enhance the overall shopping experience. And there you have it, your guide to creating a Shopify store with the aid of ChatGPT in 2025. I hope this helps you take your online business to new heights. Good luck and happy selling.